Hi, I'm happy to introduce another product from our present range, something that you'll find in my bag every day, which is the Luminous Day Cream. Let me show you the product. It's super lightweight, it absorbs instantly, and it's non-sticky at all. And the fragrance is really refreshing. So the key ingredient of the product is the age-defying magic of niacinamide, which is another form of vitamin B3, which helps in fading pigmentation. It locks skin moisture, brightens skin glow. Do give it a try and let us know. It's available on our website and Amazon as well. Thank you.